Jai Hind, all teachers and students. Today we are going to chapter 8 trigonometry ratio class 10 in CBSE standard. Trigonometry study you know already that triangle. You are studying earlier classes in triangle, right angle structure. Trigonometry ratio starting the first topic introduction. And introduction of trigonometry is the dependent on the three side or triangle. Trigonometry the word Greek word. Trigonometry the word Greek word. It means try, means three, and gone means sides, and metron means measure. It means three sides measure is called a trigonometry. Three sides measure is called a trigonometry. Second topic today are study in trigonometry ratio. Ratio you already know. Trigonometry ratio on the depend on the triangle. Triangle property you all already know that the shape are a right angle triangle. In trigonometry base right angle triangle. A, B, C. Here is the angle C. And this side hypotenuse, this side perpendicular, and this side base. The angle theta. Trigonometry ratios, 6 ratios. First, sin theta. Second, cos theta. Third, tan theta. Fourth, cosec theta. Fifth, sec theta. And sixth, cot theta. Their useful formula from sin theta. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta base upon hypotenuse, and tan perpendicular upon base. Most important, sin cos tan. Sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta perpendicular upon base. Then just opposite or reciprocal. Sin reciprocal cosec. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, then cosec hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Then sec the reciprocal or opposite cos theta. Cos theta base upon hypotenuse, then sec theta hypotenuse upon base. And last cot theta. The reciprocal are tan theta or opposite. Perpendicular upon base, then base upon perpendicular. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. This is the sine, the full form of sin. Without angle of theta. What is trigonometry ratio starting 3 alphabet are called sin. What theta is including this angle is called a sine theta. Then cos, the full form cos, cosine, and tan for tangent, etc. cosec, sec, and cot. But you know already, you know that sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. We are starting exercise 8.1.
Start.
Exercise 8.1, first question. In triangle ABC, AB equal to 24 centimeter and BC equal to 7 centimeter. Determine the sin A, cos A, and second sin C, cos A. Students, the starting the question, starting the main shape of triangle, right angle. A, B, C. Angle, create the angle C. AB 24, BC 7. Angle, create the angle C, and this opposite side of angle perpendicular and adjacent side the base. Angle create C, perpendicular, base, and this side hypotenuse. Firstly, find out the side hypotenuse. Apply PGQ. In triangle ABC, apply PGQ. हाइपोटेनस का स्क्वायर परपेंडिकुलर का स्क्वायर प्लस बेस का स्क्वायर. हाइपोटेनियस नो, सेम. परपेंडिकुलर 24 का स्क्वायर एंड BC 7 का स्क्वायर. 24 का स्क्वायर एंड 7 का 49 प्लस 625 AC स्क्वायर स्क्वायर AC is equal to square root 625. 625 perfect square is 25. Then the value of hypotenuse 25. First we find out sin A and cos A. Sin A side perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine A. What angle create this part? Clear? Angle this create this side. Opposite side BC. This is the perpendicular. BC perpendicular. Perpendicular value 7 and hypotenuse 25. Then cos A second. Cos A base upon hypotenuse. Angle create A. Opposite side perpendicular. This side base. Base 24. Hypotenuse 25. Okay. Second, sin C and cos C. Sin C formulas perpendicular upon